Your hair is doing such nice things in my hands. Feels so nice out. It's so warm. And there's the moon. You see the moon, sweets? Yeah. You can't miss it. It's so bright. Oh, you feel so good. Come here. I can't believe this is what we get to do. It feels surreal. Your neck. You know you're my baby forever, right? You understand? Look at me. You understand? Yeah. That's right, honey. That's right, sweets. Give me your glass. Where is it? Over there? Right there. Give me a glass. I'd like to raise a toast to my one and only. Me every night. Look at me. You're my baby. You understand? Cheers, sweets. I love you nuzzling up on me like that. Yeah? Yeah, you like giving your daddy some love? Kiss me. You look so gorgeous right now. Why are you so pretty? Yeah, I still got a crush on you. Yeah? Really? You are? You are? Really? Can I see? Yeah, please, can your daddy see? Show me with your words. Tell me how what you are. Tell me how what you are. Just feel you all over. I'll whisper in your ear. You hear that, sweet? Yeah. Oh, I can't believe we get to do this. I can't believe we get to do this. You did so good. Are you cold? Yeah? Come here. Come this way. Sit with me. Cheers. What's inside? Yeah, let's go inside, baby. You hungry? Let's go inside. It's getting about that time anyways. Yes, I am. This audio keeps going. You want to hear the rest? Hear the full spicy 10 minutes at the link below. And thank you so much for supporting this channel by liking, subscribing, and commenting with what kind of audio you'd like to hear next, because I take requests. Alright, sweets. See you on the next one.